Okay, so I made a start on a job in town centre today. We've got some piping for heating, plumbing and electrical work to do in here. So let's see what's happening inside. He's just rocked up with some breakfast. So that's the site here. It's been converted from what it was before to now a salon, and they need some plumbing and heating in here. Yes, copper all the way. So we'll be doing some radiator runs, hot and cold water supplies, and all the wiring in here. Pipework's coming from that side, those 4 holes that you see just there, coming into this side here, and then it'll be feeding this room, the room next door, and then the room right at the end. Pipework will run up in the ceiling just there, go this way, come down, and it will feed some chairs on this side here for both hot and cold. They need some water for here. And yeah, so made a start on it. I'm gonna go have my breakfast now and I'll keep you posted. Okay people, so this job's nearly ready. Took me just over 2 days to complete this pipe work, and then the Sparky came around and look at it, look at all these cables. Anyway, that's not a subject today. So pipe work, customer wanted a radiator connection there, 1, 2 and 3 hot and cold supplies in here. Customer chose all the locations, guys, by the way, for all the radiators and the water connections wherever they wanted. They've got a plan. They're turning this place, as I mentioned before, into a salon, and that's where they wanted everything. So the pipework's running up here. All of this will be boxed, and then it's heading in that direction, as you can see, and then it's going from there into this direction. They've converted this place. It was one open plan area, and now it's got like 3 rooms. So the pipework's going there. These 4 pipes going in through the joist there, or the wall plate, are your hot, cold, flow and return for the radiators. So that's where everything is right now. As you can see, pipework's going there. Currently I've got some caps and some isolation valves. Ooh, I've just spotted a leak on this isolation valve, if you can spot it. But pipework's under pressure right now. It's being tested as we speak. I'll take you there and show you what I mean by that. But yeah, so first fix, currently it's not connected to anything. So I wanted to make sure all the pipework was tested before I can tell the builder to start capping. Or putting plasterboard, I should say. No capping. I've got my plumber's hat on, guys. Excuse me. Okay, I'll take you there as well to the last room on that side. And I'll show you in here. So we have hot and cold supplies dropping there, and then the radiator pipe, 22 mil all the way up to here, and then this radiator reduced it down to 15 mil, and there'll be a radiator here, and customer also wanted a radiator on the top floor as well. They've put under the floor, as you can see, they'll be having an office and another room over there. I'll just take you to the boiler room and show you what's happening there. Currently it's all not in use. There's no gas supply in this building right now, but customers applied for that. So that's the old ancient boiler. It's a Valent boiler. Okay, so the pipework that you saw from that side is coming in here, and I've pressurized it, and it's being tested as we speak. And then the floor above is all here, guys. So the pipework that was coming up is coming through here, going here. And guys, hold your horse, okay? If you have any questions about notching, do drop me a line and I'll explain why I've done it and whether it's allowed or not, because it is. Okay, so as you can see, pipework's going here. And for those of you who think, no, drilling all the way, drilling, okay, yeah, that's fine. As you can see, I've done some drilling as well to make you happy. So for people who are happy with notching, that's notching there. And those who are thinking drilling is the way forward, Okay, some drills there as well, as you can see, some holes. Okay, so another hot and cold supply point customer wanted for an imaginary room up here, and then we have pipework heading in this direction and finishing just there. Okay, so that's all the pipework so far, and once we've got the gas supply, customers thinking of getting a new boiler. Most likely, I don't think old one's going to come back to life, but we will attempt it. We'll see what we can do with that, and also an unvented cylinder, so it'll be a full setup. But yeah, if you have any questions, guys, as always, feel free to just drop me a line and I'll try to get back to you. Take care, bye for now.